Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday to you. Some wind, some rain and wind picking up later on this afternoon. And it's gonna get a little windy. Gusts up to 40, then they're up to 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts later on this afternoon. And try to go with a raincoat today. We're gonna have a rain and windy this afternoon and a spotty shower tomorrow, 40s tomorrow, and then on Friday it's going to turn colder on Friday. Near upper 30s, but the 20s and 30s on Friday. And then Saturday it's looking, it'll be a dry weekend, and early next week we have some spring temperatures coming up early next week. Near 50 and near upper 60s early next week. I hope you guys have a great day today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on Thursday. Have a great Hump Day Wednesday. Have a good one.